So yeah, we're going to talk about our creation story, okay? Because that's why we do what we do, the way we do it. So let's rewind the clock to 2007. My daughter, she's 11, and she's finding out the hard way that social media can be weaponized. Now at the time, I had been in martial arts for 21 years. I had studied 11 different styles. I did not have a move for cyberbullying. Okay, no worries. I went to the school. They had a lot of good policies. Couldn't stop it, but they had a lot of good policies. Went to the police. They couldn't do anything until it got more serious. Okay. No worries. I could ask my friends, family, coworkers, professionals. No one could really help. No one could stop it. And I'm the one sending her to school to be punished for being who she is. I made a promise, a vow. I'm going to give her the skills to never be a victim ever again in any way, shape, or form at any age, no matter how the bad guy comes at her. So if it's physical skills, sure. But if it was emotional, cyberbullying, financial, I took the entire concept of being a victim and I just blew it up. Like I had to play catch up once to deal with the cyberbullying. I wasn't gonna get caught a second time. I went out looking for what could solve my problem, right? Like I wasn't the only parent dealing with cyberbullying. Couldn't find it. But then we're gonna talk a lot about mindset, legal stuff, communication under stress. These are all the skills that are not physical. Then we're going to spend the vast majority of the day learning the physical skills.